Hey, it's Tom again. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. I went back and looked at Kevin's video again on how to use this UberSDR to get it to decode digital data. And what I realized when I watched his video is, look at this. There's so much stuff. It's down here. There's more options down here. There's active channels, 2 users. One's me. Does it tell me? No, it doesn't tell me. It just says, it says you in the United States. Okay. Now, I got FT8 coming in, and I've got a audio visualization of this signal. I can go here. And there's more. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And there's all kinds of things you can do with this. And then there's another one. We go down. I need a bigger computer monitor. Audio filters. There's filters you can add. Look at all these different filters. Oh my gosh. And then, if I go back up here, this is what I was looking for, is extensions. And I want digital. And look there. It's decoding FT8 and giving you a listing of the decodes. Here's the mode, frequency, the call sign, where the country. I don't know what the color means. Oh, I guess it's different modes, different colors. Distance, bearing, signal to noise ratio, and the message. Wow, I can't believe this. And there's a digital spot map. I'm almost afraid to open that. This page is best viewed full screen. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm seeing here. Okay, let's go back. I mean, there's so many features. Now let's go back and try to get a station. You know, what station am I on? I don't even know. Station. What? Radio connection failed. Maybe disconnected by. Oh. It broke me. Okay, well, let's just, if I lost it, I lost it. Heck with it. Yeah, I'm still uploading my previous video. Let's go back to Texas again. Connect. Okay, now we want to go to bookmarks. And I wanted, it doesn't have one on this station. I wanted to go to New Orleans. Okay. Let me go back and select another radio. Maybe not as close. Oh, look at this. I'm not sure what that means. DBFS. Don't know what that means. Let me just try this one. I am just blown away by this. Okay, now we want to go down to bookmarks. Maybe they have a bookmark I need. No, they don't either. So anyway, I need to find a station that's got bookmarks for the weather band. Status monitor. Wow. And of course, each station, each radio the person has set up, he can add options to what he provides on his station when he sets up his radio. I mean, I'm just blown away. I'm going to be wasting a lot, not wasting, I'm going to be using a lot of time today learning all these features. Thanks for watching. Don't know who the gentleman is. Let me go back here. Trying to see if here's all the features. Wow, good grief. I was trying to see, oh, here's another option to just randomly pick a station. Trying to find out more about the gentleman that wrote this. It's awesome. IQ recorders. Oh my, this goes on and on and on. I haven't even touched on this stuff. Third-party application, screenshot, build your own. This is what you need to build your own station to put on the air. This radio, antenna, computer, and then the software. Oh my gosh. No. Let's see what's under contact. Oh, I guess this is the guy right here. M9PSY. It's awesome. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.